Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Charleston. Yes, I wore this shirt yesterday. Whatever, it's totally clean, different underclothes.
Peter, Maddie.
Don't be weird about it. Okay, I'm cool. So we did some new stuff today. The kick and slide. We did rock, step, kick, and slide. Rock, step, kick, and slide. You just do it all the way out the door. Remember, it's 5, 6, 7. You kind of push off of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fall right in the next rock step. We did a little stuff on the kickaways just to make them better.
Yeah. We talked a lot about keeping ourselves one piece, not letting our shoulders go. And if we keep ourselves one piece, we can really try and turn away from each other and find that connection.
There's a little feeling here. No. Yes. You guys did really well with that. And then we just threw a 6 count in there just as a sort of chilling out breathing step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quick, slow. Don't even do the triples. Just try it. So when you're doing your Charleston, you're like, F this, I'm tired. Rock, step, chill it out for a bit. No problem. That's what I do. Here's what we did for the whole thing. We had a skip up. Hey, bam, we had a roll back. We had a big kick. We had our kickaways. We had around the world. We came back. And a kick and slide. Doodly-doo. That's the whole thing. Thank you.